Connect the driving shank to the scalpel as vertically as possible. Rotate the wheel clockwise. After encountering some resistance, use a torque wrench until after hearing 2 clicks. Note: when removing the torque wrench, the trigger must be closed. It is recommended to press the min or max button for adjusting. The trigger must be closed when cutting. When clamping the tissue, do not exceed 2/3 blade head. As excessive clamping will affect cutting efficiency. Similarly, close the trigger and then use the torque wrench. When disassembling, a torque wrench must also be used to prevent damage of the blade head by ensuring correct rotation direction. Similarly, align vertically and rotate clockwise. After encountering some resistance, use a torque wrench. When clamping and cutting the soft tissue, do not exceed 2/3 length of blade head. Excessive clamping will affect cutting efficiency and lower the cutting speed. When disassembling, a torque wrench must also be used, holding the driving shank with one hand and the scalpel with the other. Install the test rod in the same way as installing the scalpel. If the adjusting passes, it indicates that the drive handle and the main unit are working properly. The disassembly method is the same. Let's try the test rod for SHP126. Still use the torque wrench. Successful adjustment indicates that the main unit and drive handle are functioning properly. Align the red crosshair, insert the foot pedal. Tighten with a torque wrench. Put on the protective cap. The skin knife is generally used in the min gear. Be careful not to cut hard objects with the skin cutting scalpel. You can see it easily slicing through. First, remove the protective cap, then loosen with a torque wrench. The installation method for the hook knife is the same as the skin cutting scalpel. The advantage of the hook scalpel is that it can be used for tissue traction. Remove the protective cap, then use a torque wrench. Cover with the red protective cover and place it in the designated position.